Welcome to KitchenFact.com. We provide kitchen appliance reviews, tips and tricks, recipes and nutrition facts from experts. Subscribe our YouTube channel and stay with us. Today I am going to present on portable blender. Here I selected 5 high quality portable blender for travel. These are versatile, affordable and safe for long time uses. Is portable blender any good? 7 ways you can be certain why portable blender had been so popular till now. So check them out. Number 1. Portable blender Top QSC Smoothie Blender USB Juicer Cup. The Top QSC Portable Smoothie Blender is an ultra-light blender for those who are always in a rush. This blender gets charged through the USB port and once full it can blend multiple times. The speed of this blender is 2000 RMP. It takes 20 minutes to make a cup of perfect smoothie for one. The mixer comes with 500 of the BPA free plastic jar or bottle with 304 stainless steel 4 leaves blades. For charging it has 2.0 USB port also. On the other hand, you can choose a glass jar blender for a lovely journey. For USB powered blender Top QSC is the best for me. It's called also travel size smoothie blender. When you put inside ingredients and start to on the button, it's run for 5 to 20 minutes depending on how much ingredients are inside to complete blending. If needed, you can again begin to the blending. The blender doesn't come with any cup holder, nor the blade bottoms are detachable. You can clean it either inside dishwasher or fill and blend again with warm water. Hope Top QSC Small Travel Blender will be the best selection as portable blender. Number 2. Oster BLST PB WPK My Blend 250 watt blender with travel sports bottle. To get the complete performance of the Oster BLST PB WPK blender including a travel sports bottle. It's a 250 watt blender and suitable to crush any fruits, vegetables, etc. in no time. For crushing the ice cube and other frozen ingredients, it can pour up to 400 watt. So I consider Oster BLST PB WPK the best blender travel blender for ice. The size of the blender is 15.25 into 5 into 5 inches and comes with 16 inches per cord. The weight of the blender is only on lbs. The colorful designs and construction of the mixer are awe-inspiring. This individual size of the blender with a sports bottle fits your busy and fast lifestyle. With a single touch, it works non-stop to mix your favorite drink instant at work, gym or in the home. Number 3. Magic Bullet Mini High-Speed Blender and Mixer. The name of Magic Bullet is known to almost everyone around the world. With the help of TV Network, Magic Bullet brand succeed to establish their work, customer service and most important, the versatility of this blender in earlier days. That is why we had to include this Magic Bullet Mini. It's a 2-in-1 gadget which can work as a blender and mixer. With the blender base there is a mini cup and the blender bottle comes with it and makes a smoothie, puree, protein shake, milkshake or anything you want to make. It's also known as Travel Magic Bullet. This blender size is 9 into 59 inches and weight 3.28 pounds. Because of 2 cup and bottle, 2 lids and the blending motor, it weighs this much. The bowl container and covers are made of BPA-free plastic and also easy to clean. The blade part of this Magic Bullet is separable and stays sharp for a long time. Number 4. Portable Blender Single Serve Personal Blender. If you want to invest in a personal-sized blender, then the Hamilton Beach blender is a perfect option to consider. It has a 175 watt motor with 14 outlet blending jar, a drinking lid, stainless steel cutting blades, and a sturdy base. The blenders consist of an on-pulse button that is great for one-touch operation. The blender has auto shut features which stop working after 5 to 20 seconds depending on how much ingredients you fill in. The bottle lid has a drinking spout, so one can directly sip from the bottle without pouring in a separate cup. Another exciting feature of the blender is it has slick space to coil the power cord in the base. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Blender with Travel Lid. If you want to invest in a personal size blender, then the Hamilton Beach Blender is a perfect option to consider. It has a 175-watt motor and 14-outed blending jar, a drinking lid, stainless steel, cutting blades, and a sturdy base. The blenders consist of an on-pulse button that is great for one-touch operation. The blender has auto-shut features which stop working after 5 to 20 seconds depending on how much ingredients you fill in. The bottle lid has a drinking spout so one can directly sip from the bottle without pouring in a separate cup. Another exciting feature of the blender is it has slick space to coil the power cord in the base. The blades work fast to slice, crush or blend any freshly frozen ingredients and make a perfect mixture that one can enjoy. The jar of the blender also works as a portable travel blender cup which fit in almost every car drink holders.